We're going to have to make a beat with these guys. But as you can hear, watch this. Pretty good beat I went ahead and prompted here. There's a few things on it. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rewind, boy.
That's it. Give me 25 seconds. That's perfectly fine. I love it. That's all I want. Because if you're like samplers like we are, we love to do crates of records, and it's plenty. So we're going to go ahead and got the stems here, so we're going to go ahead and get the fuck out of here. That's right. We're going to go ahead and go to our FL Studio. Because we only got 25 seconds, so we're going to extend the track. That's what this whole video is going to be about. Is those of you who have dolls and want to just take just use Suno as a creative records that writes itself. How's that? That's what I love it. And we're just going to just grab samples and we're going to make songs and stuff ourselves, whatever. So we're going to 98.33 is our beats for So we're going to go ahead and just play this song here for 25 seconds. And while it's playing, I'm going to drag in all the instruments so we can do what we need to do.
Rewind, boy.
I'm going to turn on our metronome so you can see where it's tempo. Oh, okay, what we got here? We got a bunch of date. Is this Suno's version of Vinyl Crackle? Very poorly Vinyl Crackle. Listen to this, guys. This is why you gotta do your stems and get a doll. Look at this, all unnecessary, horrible Vinyl Crackle. Oh, this is horrible. So let's play everything together, and then we're going to take that out. Watch how clean this track's already going to get just by doing this. Let's go and delete. Oh my god. It's ready for release. No. But goddamn. Still hear a little something, something.
Rewind, boy.
Get the professional guys like us know what we're gonna do with it. That and paste that and do like 3-4 times. So let's hear that from there, and it should be fine.
Rewind, boy.
Alright. So we're in the loop. I might play some guitar on this live. So I hear some guitar, so you can see what's happening while I'm doing that. This is fun as I can get this on here. We'll put this on track 7. Let's take our beat out right here.
Rewind, boy.
Yeah, we'll take it out for a few beats. And bring it back in. I think right here I'm going to put a glitch on there. Okay, this is right here. We're going to want it. This right here. I'm going to want to stop. Right there. Alright, there we go. Nice. Alright. Now we don't want it to loop and do that every time. See what I'm saying? It's going to do it through the whole song. So we don't want that. So what we got to do is now we're going to do our automation. Watch. It's not the fiddle diddle. It's natural. I like a one take wonder, nigga. I just do a little editing and all that shit. And that's how we do it. We're going to have to make a beat with these guys.